Hi, I'm Trudi with B Tru Quilts, and today we have for you the Potato Chip Star Quilt. This pattern will be available free on our website. Requirements for this quilt are 1 yard of background white fabric, and that will do the border. And then for the stars, we're going to use all scraps. So for your white yard of fabric, cut those into 13 2.5-inch strips. For the potato chip block, step 1 is to make 48 2.5 by 4.5 inch flying geese. And I use my tray that I use the essential triangle ruler to cut these pieces. After you get 48 flying geese, you're going to add 2.5 by 4.5 inch potato chip to this side of it. Step 2 is just joining 2 print potato chips together, making 48 2 patches. So at this point you'll have 48 star point blocks and 48 2-patch potato chip blocks. For the center, I use my 2.5-inch basket and 4 low volumes. I make a 4-patch for the center of each star, so you'll need 12 4 patches. And then those will be all the pieces you need to put your 12 star blocks together. For the border, I have 2.5-inch by anything from 1 inch to 4 inches in here. I just randomly sew pieces together, make strips, and sew those strips together. For this quilt border, you're going to need 2 48.5-inch strips and 2 36.5-inch strips. And that's what your 2.5-inch strips will be for side. So here is one of, this is the 36-inch. Quarter blocks, you'll take 2 of your 2.5-inch strips and 4 corner blocks. Each corner block will use 1 2.5 by 6.5-inch piece, 1 2.5 by 4.5-inch, and 1 2.5 by 2.5. And then we'll go back to our 2.5-inch tray and use 3 print fabrics. Let's see what we got here. To make 4 corner blocks. Here is a sample of what the corner blocks look like. This quilt goes together really quickly, and just like my Easy Does It quilt, there is no right or wrong place except star points, which I got one turned around. The only thing I'm careful of is the center and the star points. Everything else is just however it lands. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Go to our website, download our free PDFs, and have a great day.